Ever wondered what the DBS office looks like? Let us show you how we've taken traditional work areas and transformed it to what we call our DBS Joy Spaces.
It all began with a game-changing question. How could we redesign our workspaces so that our employees can step in and unleash their full potential?
It may seem like a simple question, but it was no easy feat.
With a whirlwind of experimentation and research,
The answer became clear. Let's forgo the typical office setups. Turn our colleagues into co-creators of their workspace through the power of choice. To foster a vibrant community and a dynamic culture of being the best bang for a better world. Because let's face it, when your surroundings are highly visual and optimized, you feel and think better, right?
So we ventured far, far away, beyond our desks, all the way to other people's desks.
Can I help you?
And immersed ourselves in the many, many departments that exist in DBS to ask them one simple question.
What kind of workspace do you need to perform at your best?
Beyond informal quizzes at the pantry and each other's tables, we held team workshops, shadowed our colleagues, sent out surveys, did countless interviews.
We waited for the data to pour in. Here are some of the answers we got.
Can we have more standing tables?
How about a place to get creative and brainstorm?
Maybe even somewhere to relax?
Sure, why not? And thus began the revamp of our office.
What we found interesting was that departments were craving a bit of personal touch.
So we handed them the reins to actually choose their theme and design for their own departments.
Yes, we seriously have Jedi bankers in our office. May the force be with us, truly.
And no, we're not in the Copacabana. It's still our office. We take every suggestion seriously, even if it means bringing the 4 seasons into our office all year round.
So are these really offices?
Yes, but here at DBS, we prefer to call them our joy spaces.
We also began knocking down walls.
Well, no, not literally. But with no fixed seating, we gave our employees the freedom to choose where and how they work. Swing by our breakout zones for some spontaneous group discussions.
Or the ideation rooms for a little creative boost, where the furniture can be moved and the senses awakened for your ultimate brainstorming sessions.
A quick dose of Shakespeare? How about some lunchtime meditation? Or a little shut-eye in our resting pods?
With hybrid work here to stay, we've added features like RFID lockers and also meeting pods, so that people can focus.
Our carpets are made from recycled fishing nets, so every step we take is towards a greener future. Quite literally.
And as the future of work evolves, so will we, as we continue to reimagine our office and make work more enjoyable for our colleagues. Because that's what our joy spaces are all about.